Once upon a time in a forest, there lives a cunning young fox. And a foolish old black crow. One day, the crow found a big piece of cheese. And sat on a branch of a tree. The fox saw a crow sitting on the branch of the tree. With a big piece of cheese in his mouth. The cheese looks delicious and I am very hungry. Let me take it from the crow. Good morning. You have a lovely piece of cheese with you. Can I please have a bit too? But the crow refused. You look beautiful. You also have lovely black feathers. And a sharp beak. You have a beautiful voice too. Can you sing a song for me? As the crow began to sing, the piece of cheese fell down from the tree. And the fox caught it. The fox ran away with the cheese.